What's up, YouTube? We're gonna look at Matic, and this is one of the tokens that I am very bullish on at the moment, and it seems to be performing a lot better than some other alts. Starting off on the weekly chart here, we have the all-time high at $2.92, and we saw a big decline throughout 2022, and the trough was 32 cents. Ever since that trough, we have had a nice recovery. We found resistance along this 50 EMA. We had the fake out here towards the 0.618, and then the FTX saga essentially dumped Matic back down to the trading range here. And we are still within that trading range on the weekly, but we're getting a nice little rally at the start of the year here. We've got key resistance here at 96 cents, so I do think we rally towards that in the next week or two. So that's my forecast on Matic for now. Longer term, look, I just want to point out as well, you've got a nice bull cross here on the stochastic on the weekly, so there's plenty of room for upside here. Excuse me. And yeah, looking at these fibs on the logarithmic scale, if we can break this all-time high eventually, which is a long shot, I know, but I'm a big believer in Matic. I think Matic's got a bright future ahead of it. We could see this rally up to touch over $5, so buying now, potentially a 5x return there on a blue chip crypto. So yeah, I'm bullish on Matic at the moment, and yeah, dollar cost averaging is definitely the way to go. Even if we do come down to say 53 cents, you could just load your bags, because yeah, this is looking very strong, guys, you know, so we have to take note of that. Anyway, heading over to the 3-day chart. Just adjust the fibs a little bit here. Okay. So support level here, down here at around 69 cents, that should hold. But we do have some downside targets here if we do catch resistance at, say, that 96 cent level. If we do roll over, there is downside targets here at, well, golden ratio at 47 cents. So that's the bearish scenario. We can't rule that out, obviously. I don't think it'll happen, but yeah, you never know. I think once we get above this 100 EMA, it'd be super bullish. So we are seeing signs of it popping above that. But yeah, it'll be a fight around this level here between the bulls and the bears, I think. So yeah, between 95 and 100. Sorry, $1, which is a psychological number, obviously, as well. Should find some resistance, I think. Heading over to the daily. Stochastics overbought. Yeah, I definitely think we get up to 95 at least here. This is a 300 EMA on the daily at 94.5, so there's plenty of resistance levels around this area. We could possibly head up to just over $1 here before finding resistance in the short term. But yeah, it's looking really juicy here for Matic, and we zoom in on the 4-hour chart. So we've got a 91 cents here as a golden ratio from this impulse move from 88 down to 83, and found support here on the 4-hour chart along the 21 EMA. So, and there's that 96 cent level on the 2.618, so it could do something very similar to AVAX and just pump up there in the next couple of days. So, yep, that's Matic, and I'm wrapping up that video. We'll see you in the next one.